Firstly, good morning all. I hope everything is going well. And once we got an opportunity to build a pentagon-shaped aquarium. Actually, in our industry, what is going on is everything is imported from China, and they will assemble and fill the water and they leave fishes. But as we are expertise in building and custom aquariums, as you can see in video, we took an 8 months to build complete aquarium, and it's an completely made in India product. From entire aquarium, motors, lighting, everything is completely custom made for this aquarium. And Mr. Naveen, who is the Topic Bengaluru hotel owner, he provided us an opportunity to build an aquarium so that you can see everything is going well and fishes are breeding. And now we left around 300 plus fishes, and it's multiplying day by day, and it's now housing around 600 plus babies along with big fishes, and it's having an around 22 tons of weight, and it's a centerpiece of an hotel. So it's Topic Bengaluru hotel name. And whatever the thing you have been seeing, it's hardly took around 100 people to work together, and we finished day and nights everything so soon, so that even the owner get excited, because many people won't take a challenge of building a pentagon shaped aquarium which is in glass made aquarium instead of acrylic. Usually if any aquarium goes more water volume, they will go for acrylic. It's expensive, and it's completely imported from China. But we thought, well, we will go with a challenge that we can set a record, so that if we build a completely made in India product, so that our ornamental industry now it's booming right now from since 2020. So we contributed one inspiration to everyone, so that many entrepreneurs like us can take a challenge and do an Indian products rather than importing from China or other countries. So I congratulate, actually my mom supported everything as I'm an younger entrepreneur, like I'm 24 years old right now, and I'm the youngest in my industry. So thank you. Since 4 years, our team has been doing great, and we are building a team right now, and we have total of 10 people working, and more in this project we hired many one, so that we can finish off in on time. I congratulate Mr. Naveen to providing us this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to IBR. Can you please tell me what was the reason behind that concept which you made for the aquarium and all this thing?
Actually, in India, ornamental industry, in the sense everyone will import everything like aquarium and everything from China. Mm-hmm. They will assemble and they will run here. But we got an opportunity from Topic Bengaluru owner, Mr. Naveen.
Okay.
So that they approached us, they need a requirement of this big aquarium. Mm-hmm. Then we decided to build and design completely, which will be complete made in India product. So from glass, light, everything, complete system we built, and within a time frame of 8 months, and it is running beautifully right now.
Right. You made this pentagon-shaped aquarium. What was the reason behind making the pentagon-shaped? Why not starfish, star kind of? Yeah. Why not circular? Why not any other shape? Okay. Why did you choose this thing?
Most of all, aquarium will be in rectangular shape, having a total of 4 sides view.
Right.
But this pentagon shape is because of client premises location. It in such a type that customer need an outdoor of 15 feet view outside, and inside they need 2 side views. Okay. So place was built in that shape. Initially, building the pentagon shape is really difficult because of glass edge, everything. We designed in such a way, we worked in a team, designed everything, and we built in a pentagon shape, so that it will be in the sense of it is not done anywhere like those things.
It pentagon is a unique shape, kind of thing.
Very unique thing, because pentagon aquariums are very rare, and it is housing 15,741 liters, and it weighs around impressive 22 tons weight.
Okay.
So
how many fishes are there in this tank?
In that tank we left more than 300 plus fishes, and they are breeding.
Different species. different species.
Yes.
Okay.
In the sense we live in a group of fishes, so that plants, fish, everything will blend together and it will mimic the nature in our controlled ecosystem of environment.
What were the problems? What were the difficulties did you face when you were planning for this thing?
Mainly time frame was too less for us. We should build within 8 months. So it takes more than 1 year, but complete our team dedicated. We worked night and day without a rest, without even a leave. So main thing our agenda was we should have a good stunning aquarium in India, so that in other countries many aquariums are available, but India it's very few.
Right.
So we are impressed to build an aquarium which should look and stunning, and we should make a name in India, so that it should be an good aquarium
Different
looking.
one,
Yeah,
yes.
different one.
What was the reason behind that? What was the inspiration behind this for making this pentagon-shaped aquarium?
As I was an hobbyist and now I am a proprietor, and we are too small team, and we are MSME, but we have a good great visions, so that will lead everything. So pentagon shape aquarium, actually it's a completely unique design. We took a challenge so that we should build in a different way, and we couldn't step back from this aquarium shape design. So we took everything, challenge, design, everything. It wasn't too risky, and it's needed more talented technical details of knowledge. So as we are expertise in those field, we made an aquarium in pentagon shape of our taking challenges, everything in our own risk.
Okay. How many persons were involved in this thing?
Our permanent company staffs are around 6, and more than 100 people have worked on this.
Okay.
So we hired like glass team. Everyone will come. We lifted every glass weighs more than 1 ton. Completely lifted up to the first floor. Aquarium is in first floor.
Okay.
So from ground to first floor, we lifted using cranes. More than 30 people have been handled glass, everything. We did not had any physical issues while, because of great teamwork, vision, and everything, motivation. Did everything work together. God grace, everything went well, and it's going well.
Yes.
So that it's absolutely stunning and impressive.
From where did you learn about India Book of Records?
Initially, my vision was to set a record in India, and it's 15,741 liters. Then initial day only I get to know that it will be a record. So I researched in a way that India Book of Records providing an opportunity, so that if we set a record here, many of people will be impressed and
Of
everything.
course.
Yeah,
They will get the inspiration.
Making without any motive or without any inspiration doesn't make sense.
Right.
So that India Book of Records is a good thing, because it motivates everyone. And by Google I searched, and myself did everything to application, everything, and done.
Right.
And today we are in a record holder, and feeling glad, very glad. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming, and it was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much.